This is a video inspection of the Milltronics partner MB-19 3-axis bed mill with the Milltronics Centurion 6 control. Equipped with a digital readout on the Z-axis for the spindle.
We have the power feed. This is a power drawbar. There's a port for a keyboard.
And the serial plate here. Over to the electronics.
The control here, we've got a serial port adapter to an RJ45 connector. And the electronics are all functioning.
This is an auto lube system. The Centurion control, and our technician is going to go ahead and show us a program here.
And we've got it set up for a simple bolt hole pattern. So we'd first manually turn on the spindle, and it's all ready to go. So we'll cycle start, it'll move to the position. You can monitor your action up here. Drills to the bottom of the hole, retracts, goes to the next hole. We'll do that for 6 holes in a bolt hole circle. So this control is using conversational programming, and it has a graphic package to allow you to debug the program without having to actually run the program. That's it.
We're just going to show the spindle, different RPMs. This is a manual, currently set at 1400. Now
2300.
Now, this concludes the video inspection of the Milltronics partner MB-19 3-axis CNC bed mill.